everyone, and welcome back to Half Elite. Today we're going to be talking about the championship point standings and our new layout. First thing, we are adding stages to races. So I'm going to award points for being top 5 in a stage. And then, of course, we're going to award points by finish order. That's not changed at all. So top 5 in stage, you're going to get 5 points, 4 points, 3, 2, 1, you know the deal. And then also leading a lap and leading the most laps. Then playoff points. We're going to have, obviously, you get 5 for winning a race and 1 for winning a stage, which is similar to NASCAR. But, yeah, anyways, that's the new championship point standings layout. Not a ton different with it, just kind of getting a little closer to what NASCAR does. But a little, I guess it's kind of, similar to what the old stuff used to be, minus playoff points and stages. But, yeah, anyways, this has been Half Elite. Thank you for watching. Remember to tune in for the thing that I've got at 11. At 11, I'm going to be rescoring the first race based off of these, so that we're not going to end up having, one race getting scored different. And then at noon Eastern, we are going to have race 2 of the Half Elite Cup Series, the Folds of Honor Quick Trip 500. Anyways, thanks for watching. This has been Half Elite.